Hey AI fans, ready for a deep dive? This week is packed with some really cool AI news.
Oh yeah, it is a busy week.
So let's jump right in. We've got updates on ChatGPT, Google Maps, Microsoft's recall feature. It's a little controversial,
Right. Right.
And also we'll talk about DID and their latest thing with hyper-realistic avatars.
That's gonna be good.
Let's start with ChatGPT. They've got this big upgrade to their search, and it is a game changer.
Yeah.
Okay, imagine you're chatting away with ChatGPT, asking it all your questions like usual.
Yeah.
But Shravati, now it can actually go out and grab information from the web to give you better answers.
Like real-time answers.
Yep. More comprehensive, more up-to-date.
So it's not just using the data it was trained on anymore.
Exactly. It can pull info straight from the web, and even better, it cites its sources. Say you ask, what's the latest news on quantum computing?
Okay, yeah.
ChatGPT will give you a summary, but it'll also give you links to actual articles and sources.
That's awesome. So you can actually check where it's getting its information from.
Right. It feels like the next level of search engines. You get that easy conversation style of ChatGPT, but with the whole internet as its knowledge base.
I see what you mean. So it's not just finding the information, it's understanding it better.
Exactly, in
Yeah.
a more human-like way. And you know what's really interesting? This isn't just good for us, the users.
Oh, how so?
Think about the folks creating the content, the publishers.
I
Now,
see.
ChatGPT can send traffic directly to their sites by citing their articles and stuff.
Yeah, that's true. Could be a good thing for them.
Right. And it seems like they're on board with it too. Vox Media's president, Pam Wasserstein, said it could be a way to better highlight reliable news.
Interesting. Okay, so conversational search. Definitely something to keep an eye on.
Big time. Okay, moving on to another big name. Google.
What are they up to?
Well, their Google Maps is getting a massive upgrade thanks to their powerful AI model, Gemini. Picture this. You're in a totally new city,
Okay, fun.
feeling adventurous, but you don't know where to go, so you ask Google Maps for ideas.
Like what to do, where to eat, all that.
Yes. But here's the twist. Gemini actually uses your past behavior, your preferences, even stuff like the weather and time of day, to suggest things you'll actually like.
Whoa, so it's really personalized.
Super personalized.
Yeah.
Like imagine you ask, hey Maps, show me some hidden gems around here. And it suggests this cool little bookstore with a secret garden cafe,
Mm-hmm.
or a vintage record shop that has live music.
So it's not just those generic tourist traps.
Exactly. It's finding those unique experiences, things you'd actually enjoy.
I like that a lot. It's like AI is becoming your travel buddy.
Totally. Okay, I am sold. Need this on my phone like yesterday. But hold on, there's more. Google's using Gemini to make those basic maps features even better.
Oh, nice.
Think smoother navigation. Imagine those super confusing intersections that make you second-guess yourself every time. Now, Maps will use AI to visually show you the lanes, making it crystal clear which one you need to be in.
So no more last-minute lane changes. That's good.
No more stress. They're even adding lane guidance, showing you exactly which lane to stay in all the way to your destination.
Wow, that's pretty handy.
Right. It's like having a co-pilot who knows every single road like the back of their hand. Speaking of things that might be a little tricky, let's talk about Microsoft and their recall feature. It's been causing some buzz, good and bad.
Yeah, what's the deal with that?
Well, it's designed for their Copilot Plus PCs,
Okay.
and it basically uses local AI models to keep track of everything you do on your computer. It's like a searchable snapshot of your whole digital life.
Everything, like literally everything I do.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Every website, document, video, online chat, it's all captured and indexed.
That sounds intense.
It is, and a little scary, right?
Yeah.
That's why it's been delayed a couple of times. Privacy concerns,
Yeah, I can see why people would be a bit freaked out about that.
definitely. But, I mean, Microsoft says all that data stays local on your device.
So it's not going to the cloud.
Nope, not shared with Microsoft or anybody else.
Okay, that helps a little, I guess. But still, having all that tracked feels a little invasive.
It does. But okay, let's put the privacy debate aside for a second and think about what you could actually do with this thing.
All right, so what's the upside?
Imagine you're working on a presentation, and you remember seeing this perfect slide template a while back, but have no idea where.
Happens all the time.
With Recall, you just search presentation template, and boom, it pulls up every instance of those words on your computer,
Including that image of the template.
including the image.
That's pretty cool.
Right, like having a perfect memory for your digital life.
So it's like a digital photographic memory.
Yeah. Okay, now let's talk about something that's not only cool tech, but also visually amazing. DID's new suite of tools for making hyper-realistic avatars.
Yeah, those look incredible.
They are blurring the lines between the digital world and real life.
I've seen them. They're seriously lifelike.
Right. So they've got two main types, Premium Plus and Express.
So what's the difference?
The Premium Plus avatars are basically designed to be interactive agents. Like, they can be trained on data to become spokespeople for companies.
Oh, wow.
Imagine a customer service rep, but it's a hyper-realistic avatar that can talk to you and answer your questions 24/7.
Okay, that's next level customer service.
Right. And I could see it being used in so many ways.
Way beyond just retail, yeah.
Then you've got the Express avatars. These are more for making videos quickly. You can generate a super high-quality avatar from just 1 minute of source footage.
Seriously, just 1 minute.
Yep. So now anyone can make personalized video messages, product demos, educational stuff, without needing a big budget or fancy video editing skills.
It's giving individuals and small businesses the tools they need to compete.
Exactly. Okay, we've covered a lot in this first part. From ChatGPT's search revolution to personalized Google Maps adventures, and even Microsoft's Recall AI is getting more and more integrated into our lives.
It is in some pretty mind-blowing ways.
I know. And we can't forget about the visual revolution happening with those DID avatars.
Right, they're not just cool tech.
They're a peek into the future where digital interactions feel incredibly human. We've covered a lot of ground, huh? From ChatGPT's search upgrades to those incredible avatars.
Yeah, it's been a wild ride through the world of
I
AI.
know, right? So, thinking about everything we've discussed, it seems like AI is getting more integrated into our lives, more personalized, more, well, human.
Definitely. It's not just about the algorithms anymore. It's about using AI to actually improve our experiences.
Like ChatGPT and how it can actually understand what you're looking for and give you answers in a way that makes sense.
Yeah. And think about the potential for research and education. Imagine students having AI tutors that can pull up anything from the web and explain it clearly.
Wow, yeah. Like having access to all the knowledge in the world, plus a teacher to help you make sense of it all. And speaking of personalized experiences, Google Maps and Gemini, it's not just about getting directions anymore.
Right. It's like having a personalized travel guide, suggesting places you'll actually love based on your interests.
And don't forget that immersive view. Being able to actually see what a place looks like before you even go there, that's going to change travel planning, real estate, even architecture.
Huge impact, yeah. And let's not forget Microsoft's Recall. Putting the privacy stuff aside for a minute, think about how it could help people with accessibility needs.
Oh, yeah, true. For anyone who struggles with memory or organization, a tool that can instantly bring back information could be life-changing.
Absolutely. And think about how much more productive we could all be if we could instantly access any file, any idea, any research we've ever done.
It's like giving our brains an AI upgrade. Okay, let's wrap up with those hyper-realistic avatars from DID. I mean, they're visually stunning, but they also represent a big change in how we think about digital interaction.
Yeah, imagine customer service or education being delivered by avatars that look and sound like real people.
It's about making technology more relatable, more human.
Exactly. And it's not just about functionality. These avatars could open up a whole new world of storytelling and creativity. Imagine historical figures leading interactive learning experiences or AI companions providing therapy and support.
The possibilities are mind-blowing.
It really feels like we're at this turning point in the evolution of AI. It's an exciting time to be following this stuff.
Absolutely. Well, that's a wrap for our AI Deep Dive. We hope you enjoyed exploring these new developments with us. Keep those AI questions coming, and we'll see you next time for another exciting deep dive.